Hey you guys, how are you doing this evening? Thank you so much for coming to our jewelry sale. We've been working hard this week. Erin has some new tools coming so that we're gonna get some different pieces next time we host one of these drop sales. So I thank you in advance for considering our stuff and you know, coming by and taking a look. If at the very least you guys could just give a thumbs up and leave like a nice comment down below, just a heart or something, let him know that he's doing good, we would appreciate that. But if you are staying for the jewelry sale, let me just tell you the rules, so to speak. So this is what you do, this is how you play the game. This is pre-recorded, I'm not live, so you can't necessarily chat with me. What you're gonna do is you're gonna leave the number of the item that you want in the comments section. I'm gonna have it on my side filtered to the newest comments first. And what that does is, say there's like 4 people that pick number 15, I can filter that to where I can see who, it'll show me a timestamp, who put number 15 first. If you're first, I will tell you that thanks, congratulations, it's sold to you. If it's already spoken for, I will tell you that the item's already sold. And it happens fast, so you guys gotta be on it. So that's how that will work. And then, you know, say you only get one thing, that's fine. If you get 2 or 3, I just keep a tally over here on my side and I'll keep putting your stuff in a pile. And then tomorrow or the next day, I'll get your stuff out. Whatever you bought, I'll get it out in the mail for you. I will leave the sale open for 24 hours. So today is the 24th, I think, of April. So I would leave it up until tomorrow at 7 p.m. And you know, and unless everything's sold out, then I would just remove the video. So, and then you would pay your payments within 48 hours. Please and thank you. If you're new and you want to purchase an item, we would need you to email us your information as well. So it's chapter2vintage@gmail.com. I need your real name and your shipping address and an email that I could use with PayPal, because that's how we'll send you an invoice. You'll get a notification, an email from PayPal, and they'll say, hey, Chapter 2 Vintage Co. just sent you an invoice, you need to pay this, and you can check out as a guest. You don't have to have a PayPal account, but there's like a guest feature and you can check out like that. So if you are new, that would be fantastic. I would love for you guys to have some of Erin's jewelry. Anyways, you guys, you're gonna love this stuff. Oh, I just can't wait for you guys to see it all. Anyways, enjoy the video and I'll see you afterwards. All right, guys, here's what we have for the drop sale. Erin's gonna help me out. He's gonna hand me stuff. Okay, so we have some of Erin's regular handmade jewelry that you guys are used to seeing. Then some stuff that him and I collaborated on. And then I have some salvaged pieces, like found pieces of jewelry that I put together that I created myself. So anyways, the first thing we have is some bookmarks. Now this time Erin put his beautiful silverware on the ends of the bookmarks. I made these long. These are like large books. So think like Bible or a large hardback book. They're about 12.5 inches long. So there's this one. This one is number 23. And it's $16. $16. Let me try and zoom in a little.
You have enough light?
I think so. All right, my next item. Now this is so cute. This can be used different ways. I have a planner, and Bianca has like little spiral notebooks and stuff like that. This can clip in those. If you have like a well, you could use it as a keychain if you wanted. That's a case too. You could hang it from your rear view. You could do something like that. This one has a president on it. I think it was Kennedy on this one. Erin, I think, yes, was it Kennedy? Yeah, the gold one's Kennedy. So I thought these were really cute. It's got a green velvet. It's got a gorgeous glass and rose bead right there. And it's got this lobster claw, so you can clip it on to just about anything. So I thought that was really neat. That is number 25 and it's $16. All right, let's do a pair of earrings. This is a new pattern I love these. I don't even have these yet, so you guys will be getting them. These are so cute. I forget the pattern. I think I looked it up, but I don't remember the pattern name. It doesn't matter. They speak for themselves. They're $16, number 16. All right, we have a ring. Now we do have in this sale earrings and a couple of pendants that will match this. And I do believe there's even a bracelet that will match this. This ring is an 8.5. It's $15 and it's number 8. So there's that one. This is a brand new thing that I did. I put all these different parts together. I hope you guys like these. So what I did was I took some vintage / much more antique watch clock faces from a watch, and they don't exactly match, but they do match, you know, and I turned them into earrings. So they're just found parts, and I put all the little pieces together and made a pair of earrings. This pair, it's the only pair that's in here. It's the only pair of jewelry minus, I made a little keychain with a watch part, but it's the only piece that I have. So $18, number 20. You'll be the first one with these kinds of earrings. I'm hoping to make more. And speak of the devil, look at this. This is the keychain that I made. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking cute. As soon as I showed Aaron, I was like, I think I need this. So here is the keychain, one of the keychains that I made. It has an antique, like this is more like the men's watch. Those were the ladies, not quite pocket watch, but so it's got a watch face. And again, it's real. It's, you know, got a little chip in the porcelain, and you can see the copper under there. There's a piece of Aaron's silver jewelry. I got a found piece right here with a little heart dangle and some vintage lace. It'll open like this, so you can get your keys on and off easily. Anyways, that is $18 and it's number 18. Another pair, new. Oh wait, no, this is a smaller version of the same earrings that I just showed you. So it's a smaller, like a skinnier pair, but I believe that's that same pattern. But look how beautiful that is. Oh, I love it. $16, number 15 for those. Oh, I loved these. Did you guys like these when we made them before? I only made a couple last time. So we are doing these like cuff style bracelets with this adjustable clasp right here, or adjustable, I don't know, what would you call this? Like it almost reminds me of like a bolo tie. Anyways, this beautiful piece right here, absolutely, that's one of my favorite ones, this pattern. I love that. Anyways, okay, $18, number 4. Another bookmark. This one has some beautiful velvet ribbon. Gorgeous pieces of silverware down here with some red glass beads. Another longer one for like a Bible, or again, like think of the big hardback books, like a size like that, and it'll drape out of both sides, so it'll look great. $16, number 22. Thank you, Helford. Yeah. Oh, we have a George Washington. This is a bicentennial piece of silverware, and Aaron turned it into a ring. So cool. So this one is a size 11. I think he was making it for himself, but he chose a different pattern. So it's a size 11, so it can be, you know, like a thumb ring or something. $15, number 10. Here, there's a good look at his face real quick. There you go. My phone is at a weird angle, so I have to like make sure you can see it. All right, here is the earrings that went to the ring that I said had a matching earring, and actually a matching bracelet and a pendant in this go around. So these earrings are $16 and they're number 13. Here's the matching pendant. Look how cute. It's just on a little bit of twine. You're free to wear it on, these look really pretty if you get a piece of velvet ribbon and wear it like that, almost like choker style, really pretty like that. But yeah, $15, number 2. Oh, this is one of his double cuffs. This is that pattern as well. So this one has a heart dangle down here. I did add an extra loop if you need to go over one. And I would have added a little bit of chain, but the chain to me is like kind of like flimsy, I guess. So I added a tighter, thicker jump ring so that you can use that as your extension. But anyways, it's got really pretty little beads up top here. And this one is $22 and it's number 6.
So you can have a bracelet, the earrings, and the pendant of that same pattern.
Yes, and you have it in a different style too. Oh, these are gorgeous. These remind me of feathers. They actually had a little bit of engraving that was on these spoons, like it was someone's name that was engraved. So really pretty, but they do remind me of feathers. These are $16, number 14. Oh, and you can have the matching pendant to those sets of earrings. It just looks like an angel wings or something to me. Oh, so pretty. $15, number 3. Here's another bookmark. This one is on green velvet. Well, let me turn it around. It's another like 12.5 inch. It's got a different pattern than the others, and these are like an oil slick bead color. Beautiful piece. I'm gonna make some and have them hanging out of the Bibles that I did put on the wall when Aaron hung those shelves for me. $16, number 21 for that one. I think they'll look pretty dangling out of there. Oh, I love these. I wore these the other day at the auction and I got compliments.
Not those exact ones.
Well, no, not these exact ones, but the pattern. He made me this pattern. So stunning. Look at those flowers on there. Oh my gosh, I love these. These are a little bit longer of a dangle. $16, number 19 for these.
For the people that I know you like the long earrings. And they're light.
Yep.
Side note.
Okay, here's another keychain. This one's so cute as well. So again, it's on this kind of ring, so it's easier for you to get your keys on and off or hang it up or whatever you want to do, like your car. A lot of people say that they like to hang them in their car. Vintage lace. Here's a piece of the silverware. And then we have a heart with a lobster claw and then a cute pink little bead there. So this keychain is $18, number 17. Here's that same bracelet and the earring and the pendant set, but this is in the cuff bracelet with the adjustable sort of like bolo tie. What do I even want to call this? They don't even call it much of anything. But anyways, $18, number 7 for that. Very cool. Here's a pair of earrings that match that. I think these ones are a little skinnier than the last ones that we had, or a little shorter, one of the two. They're a little smaller in some way or form. $16, number 12. So a little bit smaller. 16, number 12. Oh, this is beautiful too. Look at this one. Look at that pattern. Love it. Okay, this is an 8.5. It's $15, number 9. All these are like new patterns. Love it. All right, we have another bookmark. This one I did more in a guy fashion. Father's Day's coming up. We put 2 presidents. Well, it's the same president, but it's on each. Wait, is it the same person? No, 2 different presidents. That's what I thought. Okay. We put 2 presidents on there. So we have a black velvet. So if you have a dad coming up here around Father's Day, likes to read or whatever, has a Bible, we put 2 presidents on here, and there's 2 black beaded dangles because I didn't want to put too much sparkliness. But anyways, it's another 12.5 inch one, and this one is $16, number 26. these are great. Look
Those
at these.
Are a little bigger.
Yes, these are same pattern, but they're bigger than the other ones that we showed. You know, some of them come off of like, say, a gravy spoon size, and then some of them come off like a soup spoon size. So you get bigger or smaller versions of the same pattern. So some people like chunky, some people like more dainty. $16, number 11 for those beauties. Sorry. Okay. Another oh, this is the one that matches the ring. You guys could have the matching ring. Now remember, all of his silverware has been used throughout the years. It might have some pieces might have a little more tarnish or wear than others, but I think that's what makes them beautiful. And I say that meaning like some of them might be a little bit more worn than others. So this one has a little heart down at the bottom. Again, I put extra rings down there. And then you have two cute little pink beads there. But the ring, there was a ring that matched if you like this pattern. This one's $22, number 5. All right, then, oh, here's the pendant. This one's a little smidgen bigger than the last one. So this pendant matches the ring and the bracelets and the earrings. It's on the bigger side. So $15, number 1. And then the last thing I have for you is another one of the little, like, the little bookmark type things where you can hook it on in your address book or your planner, or even hang it from your rear view. We were just trying some different things. This one has a little pink butterfly down there with a piece of jewelry or a piece of silverware that Erin cut for me. And then you got a gorgeous little bead, and you have mixed metals. There's a little heart here. So we got silver and gold on this one with some green velvet. This is $16, number 24. Oh my gosh, wasn't that great? That was so fun. Thank you guys so much. Now, if you need clarification for the rules, go back to the beginning of the video. You guys can replay that. You can write down whatever information you need to write down. I really appreciate everyone for considering taking a look at our stuff, anything like that. If you ever want anything custom made, like, you know, Mother's Day's coming and you missed the sale and stuff like that, you can go ahead and send us an email, or you can get a hold of us on Instagram. I believe on Instagram, I changed my chapter 2 name to my other channel, House on Noble, but that's how you'd find me. But you could just send me an email to chapter2vintage@gmail.com. So anyways, thank you guys so much. I hope you guys have a blessed weekend, and I'll see you again in another video.